Welcome back, folks, to another action-packed day of Gone Fishing Adventures. We're out here, lovely sunrise at Dunsborough, Eagle Bay. I'm back here again, and going to give it another shot. You know what I'm going for again, the salmon. So hopefully we can get a couple today. Stay tuned. Put a couple of gangs on for the little muley. That sunrise is spectacular. Same rig, a muley, 3 gang hook, star sinker, cast it out. Later on I'll be using some lures. Let's see if we can get a couple today. Pretty excited as per usual. I'm so excited I've still got me shoes on, which I better get rid of. Oh, nice to fire that one. Now I've got my big Ice Flex 15-foot rod today. There's probably no need for it, but I love using this rod. So while I'm waiting for the bait to work, I'm going to be using one of these lures. It's nice and calm conditions. Haven't done this for a while. Oh, that actually goes quite far. And oh no, it could be a herring. It's not that big. I've got something here on the lure. I'm not using very big gear. It doesn't feel like a salmon because it's actually quite small. Soon find out. Could be a big herring or something. There we go. What is it? Oh, look at that, Tailor. Tailor. How about that? Righto, so that's a tailor. I did not expect a tailor out here because it's renowned for salmon. Using on one of these lures. Beautiful fish. And that's a good dinner size fish there, which he'll definitely, I reckon his size, I better measure him up. Oh yeah, so he's 36 centimeters. Absolute beautiful fish. Did not expect Tailor this time in the morning. Yeah, his size 36 centimeters. Yeah, so I got something here on the, I think it could be another tailor or a herring. So just smashing my muleys. There you go, herring. Well, I'll take that. I'll definitely be using this fillet for bait later on if I ran out of muleys. Nice one. Oh yeah, little whiting. It's a bit of a mixed species. That's way too small. You can't keep them, but I mean, what's the point? Whoop. There you go, little sand whiting. Come on, mate, you better get out of here before the birds get you. He's gone. Come on, get out of here. There he is. Come on. All right, needs a hand. See you later, mate. Oh, whoa, big herring. No sign of the salmon. That's why these guys are around. Beautiful, chunky herring. Here now, I'm just using the fillet of the herring. Staying on the hook a bit better than the muleys. That guy got one there, beauty. Thank God there's a few around. Woo! Okay, it's taken me a while, and I think I'm on. I don't know, it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, it's a small one. No, we'll walk backwards. There he is. There he is. Oh, and he's come off. Bugger. Came off.
Oh, it ripped off the tail.
Yep. Okay. Now we're on. Now we're on. Woo. Okay. Alright, so this one here. Gonna go airborne or what? Now I've got this on the herring fillet. Starting to shake now. There's a bit of weed. There he is. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's not over yet. Flipped around some weed. So I'm going to get a bit closer and slowly walk backwards. It's not a good sign for that weed. There he goes, making a bit of a left turn. Now I did lose one before, which I was upset about. Let's get him! Alrighty! You beauty! You beaut! Woo! Lovely salmon. The school is coming in. That bloke just caught another one over there. Beautiful. Absolutely lovely. There you go. We've been at it since 7 o'clock. It's 10:30 and the schools have just come in. Absolutely lovely salmon. Out here on the usual spot here on the south coast of WA, Perth. You gotta love it. Just get ready for that one. Oh. Yeah, he needs to be revived a fair bit. They just become shark bait. Yeah. Righto. So I'm putting this fish in the car. Bit of ice. Now you can see I caught two. Only because the one I threw back didn't survive. He actually came back on the shore. So I disposed of him, make good use of him. Pack it on ice. And that will be nice and fresh until you get home. There you go. Anyway folks, we caught salmon of course, tailor in the morning, herring, a few whiting, a few baby skippy, threw them back. Absolutely pearl of a day.